In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TurboTax Premium Service. If you've decided you no longer need the premium add-on and want to make sure you're not billed again, I'll walk you through the exact path to turn it off using your Intuit account settings. Keep your browser open and signed in to TurboTax, and we'll go step by step. Start on your TurboTax dashboard or open Return. Look to the top right corner of the page for your Profile or Intuit account menu. Click that to open your account options. This isn't inside your tax forms, it's part of your overall Intuit profile. Selecting the Intuit account option will take you out of your tax return and over to the account manager area, typically in a new tab. That's expected, and it's the right place to manage subscriptions. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Subscription data sometimes needs to refresh. Once the account manager opens, find and click Manage Subscription. This link brings you to the section where Intuit groups your paid products and renewal settings. If you don't immediately see Manage Subscription, scroll the page or expand any account tiles. Some layouts collapse options on smaller screens, so switching to a desktop browser or widening your window can help surface the link. Next, you'll land on Products and Billing. Here, look for TurboTax Premium or any similarly settimed premium service under your active products. Select the option to cancel, turn off auto-renew, or manage renewal. The wording can vary slightly, but the action is the same. You're stopping future charges. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You may be asked for a reason, and you might see details about when the cancellation takes effect. Read those notes carefully. In most cases, you'll keep any remaining access through the end of your current billing period, but you won't be charged again after that. When you confirm, watch for a success message on the page. It's a good idea to save a screenshot or download any confirmation you were shown. You should also receive an email confirming the change. Keep that for your records. This cancellation does not delete your Intuit account or your tax return, and you can continue filing your taxes as usual. It only stops the premium service from renewing. To recap, you clicked your Intuit account from TurboTax, chose Manage Subscription, and then used Products and Billing to cancel the premium service. If the premium option doesn't appear, make sure you're signed in with the same account you used to purchase it. And if anything looks off, use the Help or Support link in the account area for assistance. You're all set.